Can you believe that the average American has almost $38,000 in personal debt, excluding home mortgages? Shocking, right? This stark reality underscores the importance of effective budgeting. Picture your hard-earned money slipping away unnoticed. Today, we're delving into the art and science of budgeting, showing you how it can stop this invisible drain and help you gain control over your financial life. We'll break down budgeting into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Picture yourself on an adventure, but you've mysteriously lost your guide. Lost and bewildered, you attempt to decipher the perplexing twists and turns, unsure of your destination. This situation echoes the challenges encountered when managing finances without a budget. So, what exactly is a budget? Visualize a budget as your financial compass, a guiding instrument that charts the course through the intricate pathways of income and expenditure. It not only provides a clear picture of how your money is being spent, but also points you in the direction of how you'd like to allocate it. Much like a trusty compass, it offers transparency in the often convoluted realm of personal finance. Let's delve into a personal chapter of my life which shows the importance of managing your finances. Picture me, a hardworking professional in my early years. My work desk was blanketed with numerous invoices, bills, and receipts, a silent tribute to the daily wrestling match I had with my own expenses. I felt like a mariner adrift in an ocean of digits. This chaos was not just about adding up the numbers on my payslip or keeping track of my spending. It was a reflection of my multifaceted income, a part-time job at a local eatery, freelance writing gigs on the side, and a small online business selling handmade crafts. Each of these streams contributed to my earnings. Equally, every dime I spent, whether it was on rent, groceries, the occasional dinner date, or those tempting boots I found online, needed to be accounted for. Each penny painted a stroke in the larger picture of my financial stability. It was a constant tussle to stay afloat amidst this deluge of numbers. This experience brought to life the importance of tracking income and expenses. It's not just about counting digits, but about charting a course for your financial future. With a clear view of the money coming in and going out, you can seize control and steer your way through the financial tempests. Now let's delve into the often frustrating part of budgeting, reducing our extravagant spending. It's innate for us to crave things, but separating wants from needs can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. For instance, that posh caramel macchiato from the trendiest cafe downtown, which costs as much as a gourmet meal, that's a want. The simple home-brewed coffee that doesn't bleed your wallet dry, that's a need. The latest smartphone model that has the capacity to control a NASA shuttle but is primarily used for scrolling through social media? Definitely a want. A reasonably priced phone that carries out all necessary functions like calling your parents? That's a need. Let's consider our friend Alice, who loves shopping on Every and owns a closet full of designer clothes with tags still attached, and a garage filled with high-end yet rarely used sports equipment. Alice, we adore your enthusiasm, but it's high time for a budget makeover. This example clearly demonstrates the importance of avoiding unnecessary expenses. Let's dive into the practical ways you can find cheaper phone and internet plans, as demonstrated by our frugal friend John. Start by exploring the market, comparing the prices of different providers. Follow John's footsteps, who switched to a more pocket-friendly service and was amazed by the considerable amount he managed to save. Keep in mind that it's not just about the cost, but also about finding the plan that caters to your specific needs. John's delight in using his phone without the stress of heavy bills underlines the advantages of making informed choices. Here's a quick tip. Look for a plan that offers the best value for money, not necessarily the cheapest one. Now watch the joy reflect on your face as you browse and call without the fear of high expenditures. In conclusion, the key to mastering your financial life is making budgeting a consistent facet of your lifestyle. As we navigate through the tides of time, our financial situation, along with our needs and desires, undergo transformations. That's why it's vital that we revisit our budget routinely and make amendments as necessary. Picture this. A person confidently managing their finances, having full control over income and expenses. This could be you. To recap, understanding the concept of a budget, monitoring your income and expenditure, curbing unnecessary spending, and seeking cost-effective phone and internet plans are the stepping stones to becoming a budgeting champion. But beyond all this, it's about integrating budgeting into your everyday. Remember, a budget isn't just a plan for your money. It's a blueprint for your future. So here's a powerful call to action for you. Break the chains of financial uncertainty and take control of your future. Integrate budgeting as a regular part of your life starting today. Let's make a promise to ourselves to not just dream of financial independence, but to work towards it every single day. Are you ready to embrace budgeting as a lifestyle and become the master of your financial future? Let's do it. Let's start budgeting today.